Hey everyone, Dan with Detroit Speed, and we're here at SEMA 2024 with Detroit Speed's built 1989 Ford Fox Body Mustang. Now we're here in the Holley booth to promote the products for domestic muscle. This year we've been using our vehicle to really test our new front suspension system. So we've been to all kinds of autocrosses. We did Power Tour this year. We did all the drag racing and autocrossing we can get our hands onto, and even won a couple of events this year. We really wanted to capture the Fox Body era, so we have an IMSA themed livery was designed by Harris Lou Creations. We've installed the Cervini Stalker front bumper along with an in-house 3D printed front spoiler. We've also installed the race spec hood louvers to help with airflow. Now coming to the side of the vehicle, we've handmade and installed some side plates, and inside of that we have the Detroit Speed subframe connectors and exo brace to help stiffen up the chassis. We also fabricated an aluminum spoiler plate for the trunk deck. Now for the wheels, we have Holley's brand new Rocket Flare Edition wheels. This has a 25-degree angle in the rear. The front wheels actually have a 15-degree angle, so you have some selection on the styling you want. Now we have the DSC main tubs installed, so we are able to fit a 315 rear tire in back here. Now in the front, we're able to pack the 275 size tire. You can also see we have a Detroit Speed Edition Bear Brake Pro 6 Plus brake system on the rear end as well as the front. Now the rear wheel, we're able to fit an 18 by 11 with a 7-inch backspace. In the front is an 18 by 10 with a 6-inch backspace. As I've mentioned, we have DSC's main tubs installed, as well as our Swivel Link Quadrolink rear end system that has a swivel link that lets the rear end articulate to keep that tire square to the ground. We're also able to run a 3-inch full exhaust system out the back. We have Detroit Speed's rear coilover kit, along with a track bar and rear sway bar. So the new Detroit Speed front suspension, we have two different options. This vehicle has our SLA conversion, which takes away the factory strut and gives you that upper and lower control arm. And for a spindle, we have Detroit Speed's aluminum forged spindle upright with a hub pack. And if you're looking for more of a bolt-on solution, Detroit Speed does offer a strut version along with that same forged aluminum upright. We have a Ford Performance 363 cubic inch engine. We have a Holley 4150 single plane intake with the elbow and a Sniper throttle body. DSC has 3D printed our intake tube to go to our cold air box. One of our new updates is a brand new Holley mid-mount accessories for the small block Fords. It keeps everything nice and compact. We have the Holley Terminator X. We have MSNI ignition along with Earl's plumbing. Moving to the drivetrain, we have a QuickTime bell housing with a Tremec TKX 5-speed, and that's all connected to a Detroit Speed rear floater end with our brand new FN988 differential. What Detroit Speed has done is taken the Ford 8.8 gear set and put it in a Ford 9-inch, which really helps quiet down all the noise of a normal Ford 9-inch. We've installed Holley's race grip seats along with Simpson's 5-point harness to keep us safe. And looking to the dash, we have Holley's Pro Dash 12.3-inch monitor to keep an eye on all of our vitals. That's a wrap on our Detroit Speed built Fox Body Mustang. If you're interested in any of our Detroit Speed products, we have a large network of dealers and retailers. Of course, you can always reach out to Detroit Speed directly at detroitspeed.com.